Hello folks, I'd like to look at these examples with you. The first example is really a reminder of what we were doing yesterday. We need to have the factors of the first term there, and we've put in all the factors of 6 to see which ones work. The nice thing about this example, and it's important that you notice this, is because both signs are plus, we must have pluses in the brackets. We don't need to worry about any negative factors. So this possibilities for making 6, 1 and 6, maybe it's 6 and 1, or maybe it's 2 and 3, or maybe it's 3 and 2. And there we are, we work along checking. That would give us 4x plus 6x, that's 10x, clearly not 10x in the middle, so that won't do. Next pair, we have got 4 6s are 24x plus 1, there we are, we've made it. That would make 25x, 24x plus 1x. So here we are, we're done on this one. Let's just finish off by stating 4x squared plus 25x plus 6 equals x plus 6 from the top line, x plus 6 times from the bottom line 4x, there we are, 4x plus 1, 4x plus 1. And there we are, that expression's been factorised. So that's really just revision of what we did yesterday. This next one though, we need to be a wee bit careful with this one. It's not all pluses, therefore we have to include all the possible ways of making 3, and that's not just 1 and 3 and 3 and 1, because of course minus 1 times minus 3 will also make 3, and because there's a minus there, that is a possibility that that is actually the one that we need. So working our way through this one, we've got x and 7x. These are the factors of the first term, and it's maybe 1 and 3, it's maybe 3 and 1. But because that minus sign is there, it could have come from minus 1 times minus 3, or minus 3 times minus 1, because you see these are all ways we could make 3. So let's start working along. 7 and 3, that makes 10, no. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 1 more is 22. Yeah, but we've got minus 22. So that doesn't work. X times minus 3 is minus 3x. 7 times minus 1, that's minus 3, and minus 7 is minus 10. We've still not got there. And we've got x times minus 1, that's minus 1. And 7x times minus 3 is minus 21. So minus 1 plus minus 21, there we are. We've managed to find what should go in our brackets. So this has been factorised. 7x squared minus 22x plus 3 factorises into x minus 3 times 7x minus 1 minus 1. And the point about this is there was a minus in it, so there's possibly a minus in the brackets, so we need to include factors of this that have got 2 minuses, which is why there were 4 factors for 3, not just 1 and 3 and 3 and 1 as we would usually had. Okay, thank you for listening.